look. Like time I like an orange present.
Can you get that out of there?
It's in my house.
Archer needs Mommy's help.
Hey, like the toy.
Here, grab that.
This is toy.
Can you pull it out? What is that, Archer?
This is Archer open.
Can you show it to Mommy? Can you turn it around?
Like Percy, James.
Is Percy and James on there too? Let me see. What is that? Do you know what that is, Archer?
Toy.
That's some bubbles.
I can make bubbles.
When it's nicer out, we'll take it out and make bubbles. Archer, can you say thank you, Michaela?
Thank you.